Hello. Hi, students. Good morning to all. Today we are going to start the new session, that is the SAM second. In SAM second is unit first. It is the chapter is basic electricity. We know that electricity means there is some the parameters. The parameters of the electricity is the electric charge is most important is there, then electric current, potential difference means volt, electric resistance. So these are the four main parameters of the electricity. With these the four parameters, it's nothing but the electricity. So electric charge is denoted by the Q and its unit is the coulomb. Then electric current I, its unit is the ampere. Then potential difference or volt, it means voltage. You can say it is potential difference or voltage. So its unit is the volt. And electric resistance, its unit is the ohm. So these are the four parameters of the electricity. Then we know, we going forward we can see one by one. It's the concept of electric charge, electric field, potential difference, current and resistance also. First of all, we know that there is the natural phenomena of that the materials is flow from high level to low level. There is the natural laws to flow the water from higher level of the water level to the lower level of the water. The materials is flow from high pressure to low pressure, and heat flow high level temperature to the low level temperature. Like that, the charge also flow from high level charge to the low level charge. That is the natural phenomena to flow the charge or the materials. So here is given the some diagrams, means I will explain. I means consider that there is the two tanks of full of, means is the water tank. One is the full of water and other is the empty, and there is the means is the tap. If we, as soon as you start the tap, the water will flow is high level full of tank to the means empty tank up to the equal level of the two tank, means is the like that is charge also flow is the same manner. So that is the means electrical energy, we know that. So what is electrical energy? Electrical energy means which is help us to do the electric work. It is called the electric energy. Then there is the first parameters of the charge. What is charge? Charge means it is the stored electric energy, each called the electric charge. Means it is the stored electric energy. If stored any energy means it is help to do the work, like the electric work. So its unit is the coulomb. Then second parameters of the electricity is the electric current. Electric current means it is the flow of charge from high level to low level in time t. So it is called the electric current. You can say I is equal to Q. T means Q is the coulomb and T is the time. Or we can say another manner. The second definition of the electric current, we can say also like that. The flow of charge means flow of electrons through the conductor, each called the electric current. Its unit is the ampere. Then electric field. Electric field, any field means if any the force influence, the influence of any force around any the particles, means that is the field. But here is the electric field. Electric field means it is a field or space around a charged particle. If there is the charged particle Q and if around that having some the force can be experienced by any other charged particle. So then we can say that that is the electric field. Electric field is known as also electrostatic field intensity. Then, so there is the means forces. The two types of the forces are there. Means if a point charge, if that point charge, its the force lines are outgoing, so then that charge is the means that force is the positive force, or and it is the positive charge. And if the force lines are incoming towards the point charge, that is the negative charge. So this is the about the electric field. Then the definition of the electric field. The electric field is defined as the electric force per unit charge. E is equal to F upon Q. F means force, E is the electric field, and Q is the charge. The direction of the field is taken to be the direction of the force. It will be exerted on the positive charge. Also, the electric field is radially outward from a positive charge and radially inward to the negative point charge. And we know that there is, if the like charges, it creates the repulsion force, and unlike charges creates the attraction force. So this is the about the electric field. Next we will see in next time.